Part 4. Integration of the HANI clamp sensor into the OmegaLink smart sensing ecosystem. For this setup, we'll be sending the signal from our HANI clamp temperature sensor through a dual M12 8-pin interface cable into an IF006 OmegaLink universal wireless interface, which will transmit that signal to our OmegaLink gateway that's connected via Ethernet to a Windows PC that's logged into an active Omega Cloud account. Just open a web browser and go to cloud.omega.com. If you don't have an active cloud account, you can create one here. And if you haven't registered the gateway, follow the instructions in the Quick Start guide that came with it. But since we already have an active Omega Cloud account and we've already registered our gateway, I'll just log in. And here in the Devices window, you can see our gateway has been recognized. And now for the hookup. With the HANI clamp sensor mounted, run the 8-pin M12 cable from the HANI to the IF006 universal wireless interface. Now remove the 4 screws from the top of the IF006 and install the 2 C-cell batteries that are included with it. Once the IF006 is powered on, the LED will glow solid amber. Now to pair the IF006 to the gateway. With the top cover still off of the IF006, find the pairing button here just to the left of the batteries and press it once. The LED will begin to flash green, indicating that it's in pairing mode. Now on the gateway, quickly push the pairing button once, and its LED will begin to flash green, indicating that the gateway is now in pairing mode. And when the IF006 is paired with the gateway, its LED will stop blinking and it will only flash green each time data is sent to the gateway, about every 2 minutes. Now we can screw the top back onto the IF006 and go to the PC and hit refresh on the OmegaLink cloud interface. There we'll see our HANI clamp sensor transmitting data. And thanks to the OmegaLink gateway, we can download that data from the cloud on any device, anywhere, at any time.